Hi everyone, I'm Vivi from Vidoly. Want to build a high-converting Amazon image stack for your products with ease? Let's check out our brand new Amazon listing product image generator today. First, head over to AI Tool Market in the top navigation bar and click on Amazon Listing Product Image Generator. Each product style here offers 4 distinct UI templates to fully showcase your product's selling points. Simply click on your preferred template under a style, click Upload Image, and hit Use as Reference. Once the progress bar hits 100%, go to My Assets to download it. You can repeat this quick process for the remaining 3 templates to complete your full 4 images listing set. Let's look at some top categories. For personal care, the Shower Gel series provides 4 dedicated layout options, including clean ingredient charts, nourishment callouts, usage guides, and a complete benefit checklist. Next, we move on to fashion and accessories. The Handcrafted series templates let you quickly generate independent graphics focusing on quality, sizes, materials. Selling tech gadgets? The Electronic Accessories series offers flexible layout templates. It lets you showcase exclusive features, waterproof performance, battery life, and travel portability. For beauty brands, the Skincare series helps you craft a clear routine step layout. Direct transformation results, fresh skin benefits, or daytime protection graphics one by one. Pet Food series lets you create tailored graphics for 3-in-1 health support features, feeding size charts, premium ingredient battles, or heartwarming pet and owner interaction scenes. Vidoly makes it incredibly flexible to select and generate the exact marketing layouts you need, giving you total control over your Amazon infographic stack. Subscribe for more expert e-commerce tips and start your free trial at vidoly.ai today. Elevate your Amazon listings. Change your world. See you!